Light scratches in glass can be removed using household items you may already have. Before you begin, test the scratch. If your nail fits, you may need to call in the professionals. If it doesn't, there could be an easy fix. The first step is to clean the glass so you can see the scratch better. You can remove scratches with toothpaste. Add a dollop to the glass, rub with a soft cloth until the scratch disappears, and wipe clean. A glass polish containing cerium oxide can also remove minor scratches. Mix with water and apply the paste with a soft cloth. Once the scratch is gone, clean and dry the glass. Another option is to make your own scratch repair paste with baking soda. Make a paste out of 1 part baking soda and 1 part water. Use a soft cloth to apply the paste to the glass in a circular motion, then wipe clean. You can also use metal polish to remove scratches. Apply to the glass, then use a soft cloth and rub lightly. Use a clean cloth to wipe off any polish left over. Depending on the method you choose, here is a list of materials you may need. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.